Outside in an AMG, right outside, TT.
Hey my love, so today we are doing this slick back bun. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you would like to see how I went from this to this, then keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye my love. So I'm gonna start off by making a middle part. If you have a rat tail comb, I suggest using that. And then I'm just gonna separate my hair into 3 sections. So I'm going to separate it from the back, the right, and the left. This is just going to make it very easy to work with, especially if you have very thick and natural hair. I'll start with the back, and I'm just going to start by detangling this section. Then I'm going to take my spray bottle and I'm going to just damp my hair. It's going to make it easier to work with. I already have leave-in conditioner in my hair from my last wash day, so yeah, everything is just going to make it all easier to work with. Taking my Gorila Gel, I'm just going to be rubbing that in my hands, and then I'm going to place that all over the back section. This gel really helps get my natural hair to lay down. You're also going to be seeing me taking this brush. This is like the stiff hard brush. If you want your hair to lay down, you need a stiff brush to do so. I'm putting this section in a loose ponytail because I am going to take it out. So don't do this section too tight because I am going to be taking my left section and working that into this back section. Now I'm just going to repeat the process, but what you do see me do different on the top section is I'm going to take an oil. You can take an oil of any choice that you like. And this just helps me get that shine and seal in some moisture back into my hair. Get my jojoba oil, and I'm just going to be working that through my hair and brushing it, detangle it more. And something different I do at the top as well is I take Shine Jam mixed with that Gorilla Gel, and I like to directly place that on my part and then work it through the hair. My part, my edges, and then lay down the rest of the hair. And I just find that my hair comes out sleek every time I place it on like that. So as you see, I'm combining that top left with the back section. I'm going to take out the scrunchie in the back. You can leave it in there if you want, but this time I just decided to take out that back scrunchie and just combine this whole section together. We are halfway there, and yeah, now I'm just going to repeat the steps that I did on the left side. Now I'm going to repeat that on the right side. And you might have to find yourself doing this, trying to get it smooth over and over, but don't give up, sis. It will lay flat. Just keep working the products and the brush through, and you'll get a smooth finish. So now I'm happy with how everything's looking. I am going to combine this section with the other section of my hair. So I am going to leave that other scrunchie that I already have in my hair, and I'm just going to, um, make this scrunchie tight because we are finished, and just pull your hair together. And now it's time to do those edges. So I am going to put some gel over my whole entire head again. And for the edges, I do take Got To Be glue gel because that gel does lay my hair down. And I did mix it with the Shine and Jam as well. And I'm just going to take my edge control brush and using both sides of those, the comb side and the brush side, just to get the desired edges that you like. So I'm satisfied here. Now I'm just going to take my wrapping strips just to lay down those edges because we want it to stay in place. Especially if you got natural hair, you're going to want this hair to stay in place. Okay, and I'm just going to detangle my puff, and I'm going to take my donut scrunchie. This is a throwback. I forgot I had it. But I was like, you know what? Let me just put this into the video. But you just separate the hair around the whole bun. I'm going to secure it with a scrunchie. And if you have, hair that's longer than the donut, you might just going to have to tuck in those hairs into the ponytail. And then I'm just going to take another scrunchie to lock those hairs in. The final step is going to be spraying your hair with Got To Be Freeze Spray. This is going to lay everything down. I did put a scarf on as well to make sure everything laid down, and I did blow dry it too because our hair was wet, well, damp. So yeah, if you just want to speed up the drying process, just blow dry it with the scarf. And this is the final look. Like, look at a slick back pony, okay? Waves on swim. Wow. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do this tutorial, let me know how it went. See you soon. Bye, my loves.